Hello, hi! Happy New Year, and I'm Nonelyn Cambronero, 20 years old, living in Talim Point, Ginawanan, Rizal. I'm fourth year student, taking Bachelor of Science in Business Administration in University of Rizal System. And now I'm one of the trainees of Team Bennett of his company. Now, the reason why I decided to join in this training program 12 to 12 is because I believe with the help of Team Bennett and also with the help and also to all of you, I can learn many things, especially how can I achieve my goals in life. Okay. My personal goal here. To help my family and to be successful person. That's my personal goal. And then my business goal. To establish here. My business goal is to establish my business like a flower shop. Here my contribution goal. Giving the 5% of my income in the senior citizen. Yan. Bye-bye! Nice meeting you all.